Today I'm going to show you how to create a Skull Trooper makeup look. This look was inspired by one of the epic outfits from Fortnite Battle Royal. I spent a bunch of time making a custom costume and footwear, but the makeup itself is super simple. For a list of products using this tutorial, check out the video description below. P.S. Who's excited for Halloween? It is Friday, bros and ghouls. Willusionist here with another tutorial. For real. Start by blocking out the eyebrows using Prozaid or Spirit Gum. Glue those babies down good and flat. Next, begin mapping out the skull designs with white face paint. I applied Mehron Classic White using a small flat brush. Outline each eye socket shape, staying along the bottom of the eyebrows. You can always follow the natural bone shape. Outline the entire nose, as this will be filled in with black later. Fill in the upper forehead and hairline with white. Next, sketch out the upper and lower jawline. They both have a vertical oval of negative space. Fill in the upper lip with white. Save the teeth for later. Chomp chomp. Fill in the chin with white as well. Using black and white, mix up a light gray and sketch out Skull Trooper's stylized eyebrows. They basically look like a crazy anime character brow. Then outline the brows with white to make them pop. This look can get muddy if you aren't careful. Fill in the rest of the forehead with white using a makeup sponge or your finger. Continue mapping out the temple area or orbital bone for Mr. Trooper. The bone line curves just below the eye socket to the middle of the cheek and attached to the upper jaw. Follow the outer jawline with white again, sketching a negative shape. This time the shape is triangular and will be filled in with black. Repeat the process for the opposite jawline. Using a medium pointed brush, begin filling the nasal cavity with black, aka your nose, bruh. Do the same for each jaw hole. Tap a bit of light gray for this brow shadow, just a small detail. Using a brush or your finger, blend the black of the mandible out into the temporal bone, basically along the edge into the skull design. Sweep black along each temple back into the hairline. This will probably be covered by your white hood either way. Fill in all the lips with white and you're ready for some teeth. Apply the teeth using a small liner brush. Pay attention to the Fortnite skin design and zoom in close if you need help. Grab your medium pointed brush and fill in the rest of the eye sockets. Outline them first and carefully fill in towards the center. For one final touch, you can outline the eyebrows with a liner brush to help them pop even more. I hope you found this tutorial humorous. Get it? Never mind. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Peace!